So during this class, I'm going to be using Microsoft OneNote. I usually use Note, but I thought I'd do something a little different this time. So in OneNote, you can click on and add a page, and then you could put weekly notes. Then down here, you could enter things such as, let me go. I could click here and add a to-do list. One of my to-do list is complete homework by Sunday. Another one would review employee timesheets. On Sunday as well. Finalize payroll on Monday. And so once I have completed some notes, which I like about OneNote, is I can then go back on Sunday and say, that's completed. I could go back and also, if I needed to ask an employee a question, I could then, I could then highlight this area so that I know to go back and ask an employee on a timesheet. Then once that's completed, I can check that off, and then finally finalize payroll on Monday. Also in notes, I could also add in here check store inventory, and with that I could place that that's an important item to do. I could also, if I need to contact somebody, click on here, contact vendor, and I can also add a phone number. I could ask a question. When will inventory arrive? And then also, once I complete that, there's also audio recording available on here. So I could click a recording, contact all vendors by Tuesday to see if all inventory will arrive by this following Friday. And then once that's done, you have an audio recording. Contact all vendors by Tuesday to see if all inventory will arrive by this following Friday. So there's that. I also have things such as a highlighter. I can go in and highlight just inventory. I have a pen. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to write, but I could write my name if I needed to. I can also change the text mode, insert a space, and a variety. Here's space. Insert the space, there we go. So now I have the space, and that I can add a password to protect my information as I place it in here. And that's pretty much about it for the OneNote under Microsoft.